Alright guys, thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me. What we're looking at right here is a DEWALT 20 volt max power tool combo kit. This is a 9-piece cordless power tool set with 2 batteries and a charger. Okay, so you get all the pieces you see in the picture right there. It looks like it comes with a small circular saw, an impact drill, a regular drill. I mean, this thing has everything in it. If you are, looking to upgrade your current tools, right now it's on sale at 37% off at $599. Normally it's $949. I thought this was a great deal. Again, this is a DEWALT product, so you know you're getting high quality products, and they only have 14 left in stock. So I'm just going to be posting this. Hopefully, if you're looking at this at the time, the deal is still valid. But again, thank you for checking out Amazon Loves Me.